told that only 20 families live here, and they live here all year long. Hi guys, a very good morning. My name is Devendra Daivavkar and welcome to my channel. Today I am at Tondavadi Talashil. This is just 25 kilometers from Malvan, and I am at the beach resort. That's the beach behind me, and I am at the Kinara Beach Resort. I spent the whole evening at the beach yesterday, and I have made a video on that. Okay, I'll definitely post it. I'll leave the link in the description. But today, this morning, I am going to do a Gad Nadi backwater tour, which is going to be equally exciting, I'm told, with my family. And my boat is going to arrive in another 5 minutes, and we are going to do a backwater tour of the Gad Nadi. Sagar Water Sports is the place where we are at. Okay, they offer you a wide range of water sport activities. They give you a silent backwater tour which covers multiple points. They take you to the mangroves, the Kalaval Bridge, and also if you are into bird spotting, if you enjoy, if you're a bird enthusiast, then I mean, that's the tour I would recommend. There is another sport activity like parasailing, speedboat ride, banana ride, bumper rides. Okay, that's a separate package altogether. So depending on what you are interested in, you can pick and choose from those. So I'm pretty excited about this. Okay, we spoke about this journey with the tour operators, and the way they explained us, okay, it looked pretty exciting. So let's go find out. So we are now reaching our boat, which will take us through the Gad Nadi or the Gad River. It's a creek basically, and we have to walk it up a bit. The walk is only about a minute or two, and these are beautiful trees. Almost every house in Konkan, you'll find a similar setup. You'll see how close with the nature each one of them live. They always live in harmony with the nature, and this is something that we all can take from them. So this is pretty much the same. Okay, I mean, now the houses are getting modernized, but this is how an old Konkani house would look like. Okay, this is a very old house, a beachside house. Every house would have a Tulsi Vrindavan. And you look at the number of trees that are around. You'll find a lot of coconut plantations if you're living along the beach side. Then if you travel further up towards Devgarh, you'll also find mango plantations. But because this is a beachside house, okay, this is predominantly coconut trees here, banana plantations, and now we are heading towards the boat. Also, one thing that you notice, the roof is a tiled one, and it's not a flat one. Okay, they'll always have slanting roof because this region receives very heavy rainfall during monsoons. So this is to counter the heavy rainfall. That's a well. Oh, that's a well, and they're explaining me that, okay, this is how they catch fishes. So they catch mackerel, bangda in this, and this is the boat they use. Oh, this boat costs somewhere around 2 lakhs, they're saying. अच्छा, इसका कारखाना गावात आहे का? Oh, they make their own boats and they make it locally over here. Engine outboard engine आहे त्याला. And it has a Yamaha engine. Okay. Made in Japan. 2 lakh किंमत आहे त्याची. So they take a lot of pride in talking about these boats. Okay, they are very happy about the fact that this is made locally, and this is an 80 kg. 80 kg. Okay, so this is an 80 kg net, and they go to fishing almost every day. Tata, तुमचं नाव काय? हेमंत कडपकर. हेमंत कडपकर. आणि आपलं? माझा हरी कांदळगावकर. Baba. So
संध्याकाळी जाणार.
they there's also another YouTube channel by the name Malwani Life, and he frequently features in those videos, and they hi, they are more than welcoming. You can see, like, you did not even have to say hi to them, and they were pretty engaging as well. So thank you, Dada. So this is the boat that we are going to take. Ahan, are you excited?
Yeah.
Why are you wearing two caps? Have some. Yeah, they're going to give us some life jackets. So Ahan, you're the first one to wear. So
मी तिथे रेवणीला राहतो मच्छिंद्र कमळाच्या गावात.
ah, Machindra
हा
Kai.
मच्छिंद्र कमळाचं गाव आहे.
Okay, that's Revendi.
मच्छिंद्र कमळ आणि तिथे माझ्या बाजूला घर आहे.
That's Revendi, where the famous Malwani actor Machindra Kamri lived. He passed away recently.
हे आपलं गोपाळकृष्णाचं मंदिर तळाशी.
And this is the Gopal Krishna Mandir Tarashir. So on the right hand side is where we are staying at the minute at Hotel Kinara Resort. And now we are going to take a quick tour of this. I won't say a quick tour, a leisure tour of this beautiful river. So we are reaching the Shimpli point. If you notice, it is right in the middle of water. It's surrounded by water from all the sides, and you'll only see shells over there. It's not such a big land body, but if you notice, right, that's the only land body in the middle of this water. So we are going to get off for a while, spend some time here, and see the beauty of this place. So we took a boat ride, a backwater boat ride, and they got us to this small island, I would say. It's the only land body here in the middle of water. It's surrounded by water from all the sides, and if you notice, there are only seashells on this. That's why it's called Shimpla Point. Shimpla in Marathi means shells, and this is how it looks. That's our boat. And that's my son. He's busy collecting some shells and exploring.
I found a shell triangle. Very nice. Collect. Shimpara Island.
Shimpla Island. The small crabs between the rocks. And right in front of us is the Kauda Rock. It's a big rock in the middle of this Arabian Sea. That's another tourist attraction when you come to this part. There are also some parasailing activities going right in front of us, if you notice. It's very calm and serene. It is indeed beautiful. People travel quite a few miles to come and see these places. So nature has always something to offer. And as I keep saying in all my videos, that when you come to enjoy these beautiful places, please try and respect what nature has offered us, and try and keep the environment clean. Do not litter. Also, if you're carrying any plastics, please dispose them. I'll give you a close-up of the rocks over here. Isn't this beautiful? And did you find anything?
Yes, I found many shells. I found many shells.
Okay, that's nice. Are you going to take it along?
Yep.
Okay.
I'm going to save these shells from getting.
So after witnessing this beauty of Shimla Point, our boat is now off to the Sangam Point, or the intersection of the Gad River with the Arabian Sea. Meanwhile, our boat operator Mr. Hari has spotted a flock of fishes. That's the advantage of traveling with locals. They indeed have a bird's eye. This comes in handy when they go for fishing in the deep Arabian Sea.
So we are reaching the Sangam Point. Guys, if you notice, there are two distinct water bodies, one coming from the left and one coming from the right. This is where the two intersect. This is the Sangam Point here. I'm right at the intersection of the two. This is the Sangam Point here. All of a sudden it started to become a bit wavy. The pleasant water of the river has said goodbye to us, and now Sarjekot Harbour, Sarjekot Bandar as they call it.
तिसरं आहे बंदर आहे.
This is the Sarjekot Bandar or the Sarjekot Harbour. Look around, there are lots of
सुरमईचे बोटी आहे.
फक्त सुरमईसाठी जातात.
सुरमईसाठी
These boats are exclusively for catching the surmai fish.